New electrical vehicles come with a lot of new expectations. Lower cost, increased driving range, reducing charging time, and increasing reliability. And we see following trends: higher voltage battery, increased high motor speeds, and more high voltage function integrated into one box. And how do Melexis contribute to these different trends? The secret lies right there, inside the EV traction inverters, which convert the energy from the battery to movement onto the wheels. At Melexis, we design intelligent ICs that protect and sense critical inverter parameters. First, the electric motor, right there, which needs to know the exact position of the rotor. Our rotor position sensor, like here, use an inductive technology for sensing. It's completely immune to external stray fields, and it provides very high accuracy at very high RPM, and it's lighter, thinner, and cheaper than VR resolver. Then the inverter needs to measure the current that flow onto each stator phase to verify the torque applied to the wheels. And there, Melexis current sensor provide very high accuracy over time and temperature. Melexis support all different types of AC phase current sensing integration with ferromagnetic C-core or U-shield like here, or even what we call coreless technology. With more than 20 years experience in inverters, our technical supports will make the difference for inverters makers that want to step into make modes to reduce costs. At the heart of the inverter, you have the power modules. More and more, these power modules are based on 800 volt and silicon carbide to achieve higher speeds. But these create very important voltage spikes. And we have a way to reduce these voltage spikes. And the innovation we bring is a RC snubber, not as a discrete element, but in a form of a single semiconductor die using the same assembly process as the silicon carbide dies which are in these power modules. And you can see on our different booths the different implementation of our different partners of power modules using our snubbers. And with this, you will optimize your power module's performance versus the costs while reducing power losses. Last but not the least, more and more high voltage functions are now integrated into one single box. But this increases the power density and the temperature can rise very quickly. So you need to react very quickly, and we think contactless temperature sensing technology is a game changer for measuring high voltage temperature in this application. Why? Because it provides very fast reaction time versus contact-based solution. There is no need to maintain a good contact over time. It's easy to manufacture. There are no wires. This very tiny sensor is directly soldered on the main voltage inverter PCB, and it's a de facto isolated ICs for 400 volt or several thousand volts. As a conclusion, by integrating Melexis solution in your inverter design, you will achieve following results. So you will reduce the total cost of ownerships, you will increase the efficiency and performance, which will result in longer driving range, and you will improve as well the safety of your systems. Thank you for listening, and come back to us.